Lesson 2. How to create and format a business tutorial presentation. So in Lesson 1, you learned how to start the PowerPoint application and work in the environment a bit. In this lesson, you learned 5 new things. And the 5 new things are, number 1, how to create a blank presentation. Number 2, how to create a template-based presentation. Number 3, how to create presentations by importing text or Word document files. Number 4, how to format a presentation using slide masters. And number 5, how to format a presentation using themes. Okay, so to begin with, there are 3 ways to create a PowerPoint presentation. You can start by creating a blank presentation, or you can start by creating a ready-made template-based presentation, or you can start by importing text or Word document files into your PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started with the first one, which is how to create a blank presentation. That's really simple. The first thing you want to do is, of course, launch the PowerPoint application. After you've launched it, you're going to go to the first one, which says blank presentation. You're going to double click on it, and there you have it. You have a blank presentation. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2, how to create a template-based presentation. So basically, a template is a ready-made presentation which you can easily customize to create a new slideshow. Creating your PowerPoint presentation with inbuilt template saves you a lot of time and effort because templates come with custom formatting and designs. Again, to start, click on the PowerPoint application. And once you're on the PowerPoint application, you will see a bunch of templates. Now, you need to decide which template works best for your topic. Let's say if you were invited to teach a group of people on how to start a business. You want to look for something that has a business touch to it. So to make things a bit easy for you, if you look at the bar right here, underneath the search box, you'll see suggested searches. It will categorize all the templates for you. So it's easier for you to pick which one works best for your topic. So on suggested searches, you'll see presentations, orientation, business, 4.3, blue, education, and media. I'm going to click on business because I want business related template. So just wait while it loads and look for the template that you like best. So I'm going to click on this template because I like this one. So just click on the template that you like. And on the bottom, you'll see create button. So just click create. And it will load up all the slides for you. And you can easily just change the text and you have a presentation ready for you. Number 3, how to create presentations by importing text files or Word document files. The third way and the last way you can create a new presentation is by importing your text from Notepad or text from your Microsoft Word application. Now, before you import anything, there is a need for you to prepare your document in Notepad and Microsoft Word. There's a certain style and format you need to follow, which we'll be going over right now. So to begin with, just open up your Word document. So go over your Windows button right here and search for your Word application. Enter to open. I'm going to click on a blank document and I'm in Word right now. So right now I'll be teaching you how to prepare your document to be imported into PowerPoint presentation. Now the first thing you want to do is, of course, you want to write your title. So my title would be how to start a business. Now that should be my heading 1. So if you're on the home tab, you'll see you'll see normal, you'll see no spacing, you'll see heading 1, heading 2, and so on. So I'm going to click on heading 1. So this is going to be my first heading. Okay, I'm going to press enter, and underneath enter, the next line I'm going to write, you need to keep your old job. And that's going to be my heading 1 as well. Okay, and underneath that, I'm going to indent my subtext. So I'm going to write, you need money for your business. Then I'm going to press enter and I'm going to write, you need to save money. This can be whatever you want to write. So I'm going to highlight the text of my subtext and I'm going to make it heading 2. I'm just going to make it bold and make it black. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Heading 2, bold and black. This is your personal preferences if you want to do that. Now you want to press enter, and when you press enter, I'm going to write a new heading for myself. I'm going to write, you need to come up with a business idea. And I can either make that a subtext of the same heading, or I can create a new heading as heading 1. And as I click on heading 1 for this one, this is going to be automatically a new slide. So I'm going to press enter and I'm going to write, think of a great business idea. Make your prototype. And this can go so on and so on. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the last one. I'm going to bold it, make it black, and go heading 2. Sorry, bold, black, heading 2. I'm going to first say heading 2, and I'm going to bold it, and then I'm going to make it black. So for my convenience, I've already have a document ready for myself just to show you an example of what I mean. So this is going to be my first slide. This is going to be my first slide. This is going to be my next slide, my third slide, and my fourth slide. Now this is what you need to. This is how you need to prepare in Word. So all you're doing is basically making it heading 1, and the 2 lines after that you need to make heading 2. And you can just repeat the process and customize it with any color. So let's say if I make it red, this is going to show up red in my PowerPoint presentation. Or let's just make it green. So there you go. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing in Notepad. So go over your Windows button and type in Notepad. So now we're on Notepad, and I'm going to do fairly the same thing. I'm going to write how to start a business. I'm going to write keep your present job, and now here's the tricky part. So now you want to indent the subtext, of course. So to indent your subtext, all you need to do is click on tab, and once you click on tab, you can write, you will need money to start a new business, keep your present job and save money for your business. And you're going to tab and indent it. And you can do the same thing. So I'm going to copy all of this and I'm going to paste it in my Notepad. So this is going to be my heading first, the first heading, and these are going to be my subtext, and analyze is going to be my heading 1. Then know your competitors, know the market, check out the trends, address those challenges, and assess your capital needs is going to be my heading 1. Evaluate, know how is going to be my heading 2. So I already prepared another document which is kind of the same as the first one, as you can see. So this is the style format you'll be using to import your import your text files to your PowerPoint application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this on my desktop. You can save this anywhere you like, but it's easy for me to remember where I saved it and to find it. So I'm going to just save it as a text file on my desktop, click save and exit it out. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to save it, click on browse. I'm going to go to desktop and I'm going to save it as a Word document file and save it. And there you go. Just close that out. And now we're going to close this and we're going to open up PowerPoint again. And now we're going to click on a blank presentation. Then we're going to click on File and we're going to click on Open and we're going to click on Browse. Now once you click on browse, I'm going to go over desktop because that's where I saved it. Now as you can see, you can't really see your files. Now if that happens to you, that's because you have checked all PowerPoint presentations, and PowerPoint can't really read the Word document file if this is enabled. So what you want to do is you want to click on this and you want to click on all files. And when you click on all files, all of this will appear. So simply click on your how to start a business document. So let's do that. Do the Word first, and then we're going to do the Notepad first. So just double click on it, and you'll see that my document has been opened. Now, this is my first heading. This, as I said, I made it green. Keep your present job. The next slide, work on your business idea, analyze your market and challenges, assess your capital needs. Now we're going to do the same thing with Notepad, but keep in mind in Notepad we didn't really change the color of the text, so it was all black. So it's going to be black in our presentation as well. Now if Notepad gave us some features to actually change the color of the text, then it will appear as a color change. But since Notepad doesn't have that, so we're just going to come up as black. So we're going to click on File again. We're going to click on Open, and we're going to go to Browse. And this time we're going to go to Desktop and make sure all files is enabled. And we're going to click on How to Start a Business of our Notepad file. So just double click on it, and you'll see that our slides have been opened. Number 4, how to format a presentation using Slide Masters. The Slide Master is a feature in PowerPoint that lets you make changes to your slides and slide layouts in your presentation. When you edit your slides in Slide Master, it will affect every single slide in the presentation. Using the Slide Master view, you can modify slide backgrounds, rearrange placeholders, customize text, and create unique slide layouts. A slide master is a slide that contains all information about the theme and slide layouts of a presentation. It includes the font, color, effects, and background, etc. The slide master helps you to edit or modify your slide presentation. Instead of you making changes to each slide one by one, you can make changes to the whole slides from the slide master. Using the slide master, you can add new layouts, modify existing layouts by changing the font, color, effect, and background, etc. So let's go ahead and add a new layout to our sample presentation. To do that, let's go ahead and open up the same How to Start a Business presentation that we just created. We're going to go to View tab right here, the last one. And we're going to click on Slide Master, which will be on the Master Views section right here, Slide Master. So just click on Slide Master. Now you want to select the slide layout that you would like to add. Now click on Insert Layout right here. When you do that, a new slide will appear. How to modify existing layouts. You can use the Slide Master view to make changes to your slide layout in your presentation. You can add font, color, background, and effects, etc. So let's start with changing the font of the presentation. So to do that, click on the Slide Master tab that just appears right next to Home. You want to click on Font, and you can select basically any font you want. So I want to click on Georgia, and it will change the font in every slide. So just by doing that, the entire document will automatically change by the slide that you just selected. Great. Now let's change the background of the slide. Since we are already in the Slide Master's view, we want to click on Background Styles right here. So just click on it, and here you'll see a bunch of options on changing the background color of your slide. So click on the one that you like, and in case we don't like this, of course not everyone will like these colors, you want to click on Format Background, and you will have a ton of options on how you can customize your slide. So if you want to click on Solid Fill, you can have a solid fill of certain color. If you want a gradient fill, just click on gradient that you want and customize what you like best. Okay, next, how to insert header, footer, and page numbers. You can add a header, footer, and page numbers to your slides. To insert the header and footer, click on Insert Menu, which is next to the Home tab. So click on Insert Menu. Now you want to click on Header and Footer right here. So just click on Header and Footer. You want to click on Notes and Handouts. You want to tick Page Number. You want to write any header that you like. Just want to write header. In Photo section, you can write anything that you like. And then you want to click on Apply to All to show on all slides. Now once you do that, the header and footer and everything else will be applied to all slides. Next, how to format a presentation using themes. PowerPoint has different themes to give your presentation a unique look. To change or modify your slide theme, click on View. You want to go ahead and click on View. Click on Slide Master. And once you're on Slide Master, you just want to go to Slide Master. And you want to click on Themes right here. And you can choose a theme that you like. So for me, I like this theme. I'm going to just click on it. And as you can see, the theme will automatically change for all slides. Now to save this theme, you want to go back to Themes and you want to click on Save Current Theme. And you can save this file as theme in the Themes section. So just save it. And this particular theme will be saved. Now, after saving the theme, you want to click on the Close Master View. So just close the Master View. And after you close the Master View, you'll see that your theme of your presentation that you once had as a blank white background has been changed to the theme according to your customization. And it's a wrap. See you on the next lesson.